Come on, you want to go see it? All right, come this way. Statue. Here. Let's get here. Want the cookies? No, that's okay. No. No. Yeah, he's got curlicues. He looks like he has that in it, doesn't it? Come on, you want to go touch it? Come, get the cookie. Come here. Come on. This cookie? Good job. It's okay. It's okay. Yes. Here, get your cookie. Good job. Good job. You're now at the base. It's a pretty scary. It's a pretty scary statue, huh? Yeah. Good job. Good job. Oh. You okay with it now? Yeah, let me get your leash off your foot so I can stand up. Now that's the hard part. Me getting up. Those are ducks. Those are your ducks. This way. Let's walk away the mist. This is the lone sailor statue. Oh, there's that bird. He is the funniest. Okay, ready? Let's go walking. I'm going to walk right by the Sailor Ann. Check him out a little bit more. That's good. Now we're going to leave the ducks. Shall we leave now? Can we start walking? Yeah? Okay. Oh, we're going to try and scratch that off. Come on, boy. Come on, Bela. Let's go. Let's go back to the car. I'll get there. Okay, good job.
This is how we do it.